welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm making callaloo and saltfish. That's perfect for breakfast, especially on Sunday or whichever day that you like to have it. Even for dinner, sometimes I have it for dinner. Whatever I feel for, that's what I make. So now we're just gonna boil our saltfish to remove the saltness from it. We're just gonna place that in. So we're just gonna cover that and leave that to boil. So I did go ahead and change the water, so this is our second boil to our saltfish. So now we're going to prepare our callaloo. So I'm just going to add some oil to the pot. Here I have some garlic, hot pepper, bell peppers, onions, scallion, pimento seed, tomatoes, and some thyme. So I'm just gonna add my garlic first. I'm gonna add my onions as well. Just saute those. Preparing your callaloo like this, you're gonna love it. You're not gonna stop preparing your callaloo like this. So let's leave this to saute a little. Now we're gonna add the rest of our seasoning in. Comment down below and let me know what you like to have your callaloo with. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. How beautiful this is. Very colorful. This is so pretty. Very colorful. So here I have my callaloo that's washed. And I had some salt to the water to wash it off, so I'm just going to steam this. So we're just going to add it in. And I steam my callaloo on low. We're just going to combine everything together. We're just going to cover and allow that to nicely steam. So now I'm going to add some all-purpose and some vegetable cubes to the callaloo. With just a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit. So now I'm going to add my saltfish. This is almost ready. Give this another 5 minutes and we're ready to go. So now that our callaloo is finished, I'm gonna serve this with some yam and bananas. Nice and delicious. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.